Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Couponing with Splint Rose. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. I went out because I wanted to get this candy so that I could donate it to the church. They're going to be having a party for the kids, and they don't call it Halloween because we don't celebrate Halloween. They call it Hallelujah Night, and they do movies and things like that, play games for the kids, and make up candy bags. So I bought these chocolates here. I bought the Kit Kats and the Reese's so that I could donate it to the church, okay? So let me tell you about what I paid, all right? So the Hershey Take 5 snack was these here, the ones that's in the bags. They were buy one get one free. So one of them was $5.29, and then the next one was free. So I bought I bought 5 of them. Okay, six I bought, but I only have 5 because I gave the cashier one. All right, so you buy one at $5.29, you get the other one free. All right, then I bought the Kit Kats. These bags as well were you buy one and you get one free. So I got 4 of those, and they, like I said, they were $5.29 as well. Then I had $1 off coupons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was able to use 4 of them. Then I had a 4 off of 20. So that's why I had to buy $20 worth. And it took an additional $4 off. Then I had my Care Pass reward of $10, which brought me down to $8.45. Okay, the nerve of them charging tax on candy. But anyway, I got some good coupons. I thought I was going to get the $5 when you buy 15, but I didn't because I had these bags as opposed to this type, okay? Anyhow, that was my first transaction, and as I said, I paid $8.45 before tax. And these bags of candy are like $5.29. So I really saved on that. Then my next transaction, I did 2 transactions, guys. My next transaction, I bought the Kit Kats in that transaction. And I bought the Reese's Thins as well in that same transaction. And I bought Reese's Snack Size. 1, 2. I bought 2 of those. You buy one, you get one free. All right. So let me let you look at the receipt so you can see what was going on. All right. That's you see that minus. That's what they took off. All right. Then I used. I had $1 off 2. I had 2 of those coupons. Then I had a $4 off of $20 Reese's Kit Kat. Reese's in a Kit Kat that took off 4. Then I had the $10 in Care Pass. Then I had a $1 extra care box. I paid $3.29 out of pocket, and I got back $5 in extra care bucks because I bought these. These are what earned me the money back, okay? The $5. So that was a great deal. If you want to look at it, this was a moneymaker. It was a 90% savings. 90%. See that? I saved $29.74. All right, so that was a great deal for me, and especially since I'm going to be donating all this candy anyway. So the Lord shined his light on me. Oh, God. Yeah, it was a great deal, guys. All right. Thank you for joining me, guys. I love you much. I'm just jesting, playing with you. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to try to get out tomorrow so I can go couponing. All right. Love you much again. Bye-bye.